Still struggling with basic tools but expecting pro-level results? Stop, because today I'm showing you 15 insanely smart workshop tools that can instantly upgrade your setup. Faster cuts, cleaner finishes, and way less frustration. From precision upgrades to tools that feel like straight-up cheat codes, this list changes everything. All the best deals and links are waiting in the description below. Let's build smarter. Number 1. Bora Universal Mobile Base. Heavy machines don't have to stay heavy. This adjustable mobile base lets you move table saws, workbenches, and bulky tools effortlessly. With a 400-pound capacity and swivel casters, it turns any stationary tool into a smooth rolling workstation, perfect for small shops where space matters. It also locks firmly in place for stability during use. The steel frame adds long-term durability. Setup takes only minutes with basic tools. Number 2. Trend Adjustable Miter Saw Roller Stand. Long boards are awkward unless you've got this. The height adjusts precisely to support lumber during cuts, preventing tipping or uneven angles. Compact but sturdy, it's a must-have for accuracy and safety. The rollers glide smoothly without scratching wood. Its folding design saves storage space, great for both job sites and home workshops. The frame stays stable even with heavy boards. It's a reliable helper for solo cutting tasks. Number 3. Compact Table Saw Miter Gauge. If your cuts are slightly off, this upgrade fixes that fast. With a 360mm fence, flip stop, and preset angle stops, it gives repeatable precision cuts that look machine perfect every time. The solid build minimizes vibration. Angle markings are easy to read. It's a major upgrade from stock gauges. The glide action feels smooth and controlled. It boosts both speed and confidence while cutting. It's built for long-term workshop reliability. Number 4. Saker 42-in-1 Magnetic Screwdriver Set. One handle, 42 possibilities. This ratcheting kit covers furniture, electronics, bikes, and workshop repairs. Magnetic bits keep screws from slipping, saving time and frustration. The case keeps everything organized. Bits swap quickly with a simple pull. It's perfect for everyday fixes and detailed work. The ratchet mechanism feels solid and precise. It's compact enough to carry anywhere. It's a toolbox essential for every DIYer. Number 5. Mini MultiFunction Table Saw. Tiny but mighty, this compact saw cuts, sands, and grinds with adjustable depth, speed, and angle. Ideal for hobbyists, model makers, and detailed craftwork where full-size saws are overkill. Its small footprint fits any desk. The motor runs surprisingly smooth. It's great for precision miniature projects. Controls are simple to understand. It's perfect for beginners and pros alike. It's a versatile tool for creative workspaces. Number 6. SKL 13-Amp Reciprocating Saw. Built for demolition and aggressive cuts, this saw uses vibration-reducing tech so you stay in control. It slices through wood, metal, or plastic like it's nothing. The grip is comfortable for long jobs. Blade changes are quick and tool-free. It's powerful enough for professional tasks. The trigger response feels precise. It handles tough materials without slowing down. It's made for heavy-duty performance. Number 7. DIY Digital Engraving Machine. This is where DIY meets digital precision. With closed-loop stepper motors and a touchscreen interface, you can engrave wood, acrylic, or aluminum with pro-level accuracy right from your bench. The interface is beginner-friendly. Motion is smooth and highly accurate. It opens endless creative possibilities. The build quality feels premium. It's a smart upgrade for serious makers. It's ideal for turning ideas into reality. Number 8. SKL Variable Speed Scroll Saw. For intricate curves and artistic cuts, this scroll saw delivers smooth control and visibility thanks to its LED work light. Perfect for decorative woodworking and detail patterns. Speed adjusts easily for different materials. The table stays stable during cuts. Ideal for craft and hobby projects. Blade tensioning is simple and fast. It produces very clean, precise edges. It's perfect for detailed craftsmanship. Number 9. Neotech Digital Dial Indicator Gauge. Precision alignment can make or break a project. This digital gauge ensures your saws and machines are calibrated perfectly, eliminating guesswork and improving cut accuracy. The display is clear and easy to read. Measurements are highly precise. It's essential for serious woodworkers. Setup is quick and straightforward. It instantly improves machine performance. It's a must-have for precision setups. Number 10. Guardle miter shears. Forget bulky saws for trim work. These adjustable shears slice clean angles from 45 degrees to 135 degrees, making them ideal for molding, PVC, and light wood cuts with zero splintering. The blade is razor sharp. Adjustments lock securely. It's fast and incredibly convenient. Cuts come out neat every time. It's perfect for detail finishing work. It delivers professional look results instantly. It's a must-have for trim precision. Number 11. Root Edge Banding Trimmer. Clean edges separate amateur work from pro results. This trimmer handles straight, curved, and beveled edges, trimming veneer and PVC smoothly without tearing. The grip feels comfortable. Blades stay sharp longer. Results look clean and factory finished. It works smoothly along edges. It saves time on sanding and finishing. It's essential for clean furniture builds. It helps achieve flawless final touches. Number 12. Cordless Nailer. This cordless nailer fires precise brads instantly, perfect for trim, cabinetry, and tight spaces where bulky tools fail. It's lightweight yet powerful. Depth adjustment is simple. Battery life easily lasts through projects. The trigger feels responsive. It delivers consistent nail depth every shot. It speeds up assembly work dramatically. It's designed for efficient workflow. Number 13. Flktech Pipe Clamp Fixture Set. Clamping large panels can be a nightmare. These heavy-duty pipe clamps apply even pressure across wide boards, keeping glue up straight and secure. The cast iron build is rugged. Release handles work smoothly. They're ideal for panel glue-ups. Pressure stays evenly distributed. They hold projects firmly in place. They're built for serious workshop use. They provide dependable clamping strength. Number 14. Jess Clearcut TS Stock Guides. These roller guides hold wood firmly against your table saw fence, improving safety and producing cleaner, straighter cuts. Once you try them, you won't want to cut without them. Installation is simple. The rollers move smoothly. Accuracy improves instantly. They reduce kickback risk. They make long rip cuts easier. They enhance overall cutting control. They help maintain consistent feed pressure. Number 15. ISARK Japanese Teeth Reciprocating Blades. Designed with aggressive curved teeth, these blades cut faster and smoother through wooden branches. Ideal for pruning or rough cutting tasks, the steel stays sharp longer. Cuts feel effortless. They're built for heavy use. Vibration stays minimal. Performance remains consistent over time. So yeah, those were 15 next-level tools that can completely transform your workshop from average to pro. Whether you're a DIY beginner or a serious builder, the right tools don't just save time, they level up your entire game. If you want the best deals and full details, check the links in the description below. And if this video helped you discover something new, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell, because I've got more game-changing tools coming your way. This is Consumer Heaven, and I'll see you in the next one.